one is from your department, another is from Ayush department. How do you feel? Both are the same government, same state.
No, end of the day, we're one government, one state. We're really proud because the Honorable Prime Minister created a movement, and for the last 11 years, he was driving this movement from the front. And we are very lucky that this time around, he gave Andhra Pradesh the opportunity to showcase our talent. So for the last 1 year, our tribal kids have been practicing Surya Namaskars. And yesterday, 22,000 of the kids came together to showcase their talent. And it was just so adorable and magical that they did it. And they created a world record together yesterday here in Andhra Pradesh. And today, we're really lucky that people of Andhra Pradesh, especially North Andhra, gave us the opportunity to break the world record that was previously set by Surat. Anywhere between 2.8 lakhs to 3 lakh people participated in the program today with the Honorable Prime Minister. Close to 26 kilometers of the road, they practice yoga together. So we're going to get the exact number by end of the day, but we also created another world record. But another record that we're also proud of is Cognizant is going to come to Visakhapatnam soon. I think it's a magical moment for us because, Visakhapatnam is the IT capital of Andhra Pradesh. I've been saying it during my assembly session, during my campaign also. So we're really excited that TCS has already landed, Cognizant is going to land, and I'm looking forward to calling many more IT companies, Visakhapatnam their home.
Sir, we were end of the road while event going on. People voluntarily came to themselves and police forces were trying to stop them. What could not even reach the people at events?
See, we planned for 3 lakhs, more than 5 lakh people turned up. People were so committed that at 1 in the morning, they left their home. Yes. They walked and they came all the way to make Yoga Andhra a huge success. I'd like to thank them from bottom of my heart. And for people who couldn't make it, I'm extremely sorry. I believe that we were 80% efficient. There was 20% inefficiency that we could have managed much better. We have learned from this program and we will do much more. And I believe yoga movement set by the Honorable Prime Minister is just a beginning. So June 21st for me is the beginning. This is going to be a way of life for us. We're going to take it to a logical conclusion. As the education minister, in all the high schools, we're going to make Saturday a yoga day where all the kids practice yoga. In our municipal corporations, already Surya Namaskars, all the asanas the idols have been created so people can see and practice. So we're doing all sort of programs where we can bring people together and create a movement here in Andhra Pradesh.
Sir, day before yesterday, opposition leader Jagannath wanted to visit a village and use the film boards. He is waiting for his time again.
See, people do not like violence. People have never promoted violence in Andhra Pradesh. If you look at it in the past, in Visakhapatnam, it was all about land grabbing, ganjai. And if it was Saturday, Sunday, whose house will get broken down or pulled down. From there's such a peaceful environment today. People are able to walk on the roads peacefully. A lot of calm minds. Companies coming up. There's so much of energy, yoga Andhra happening. There's literally one event or the other happening in Visakhapatnam every other month. So there's a lot of buzz, energy, people looking at Visakhapatnam, and I believe that's what makes us very unique.
Sir, opposition parties of central government criticizing this NDA government. Many incidents like air accidents and terrorist incidents are happening in this government.
See, end of the day, if you look at the aviation accident, it is an accident. Rather than criticizing, we have to get to the bottom of it and we should make sure why it happened, what was the reason, and how do you ensure that it doesn't happen again, number one. And if you look at the terrorism incidents, between 2004 and 14, close to 25 plus terrorist incidents happened on Indian soil. And the government did not take any action. They would run to a different country and beg or go to the UN. But when Indians were killed on Indian soil, the Honorable Prime Minister stood up and I believe gave a strong, befitting reply, saying that if Indians are touched, we will not let people go scot-free. And I truly believe that is the new India that we're living in.